Hi, in this video we're going to unbox the Sony NWZ-B183F Walkman. For those of you who don't know, the Sony Walkman series has been around since 1979. Basically, the Walkman series by Sony is what kicked off the portable listening device revolution of sorts. So this is a continuation of the same. This is basically the latest in the series. They started as portable cassette players, then upgraded to portable CD players, and then, not now, long back, they became MP3 players, and this is one such MP3 player. There's some, yes, it's written, the model number is written here, NWZ-B183F digital music player. Let's look at the other side. A lot of information here, supported by Microsoft Windows 8.1, 8.1 Pro, 8, 8 Pro, 7 SB1, 7 Vista, etc. There's some added information, like it has a CPU of 1 GHz, a RAM of 1 GB, and a lot of other information on it as well, but unfortunately it's covered by a couple of stickers. So let's quickly take a look at the other edges. Okay, there's some information over here as well. As mentioned, this is a USB stick, and you can see this here. It comes with a inbuilt USB, has FM radio, obviously can play MP3 and WMA files, and has a memory capacity of 4 GB. That's great. So now let's open the box and see what the Walkman actually looks like. A lot of compartments and boxes here. Unfortunately, I'm doing the best I can, and I think we have to pull the documents out from here. And while the device itself has to be pulled from this side. Yeah, very crafty. I'm going to put this aside. Let's take a look at the documents first. What is this? This is an invoice, not required, not important. Okay, so this is a quick start guide from Sony, which you should read at least once before you start operating this device, of course. And we have the Walkman over here, very well packed, I must say. Sorry. So this is the. So these are the earphones that comes with. This is Sony's proprietary earphones that comes with the Walkman. This has this half in-ear design. Like, these are very much old school earphones with a 3.5mm aux jack on one end. Seems to be about 1 meter long, so that's great. Now let's take a look at the Walkman itself. So yeah, this is what the Sony NWZ-B183F Walkman looks like. There you go, there's a better view. There's a LED display. You have to plug this into a PC or a Mac and then put music files in it. There's a play pause button over here, and this is basically volume rockers on the top. This is the home button, and that's basically what you scroll through to select the music of your choice. This is your track switching button. There's a mark over here and a mark over here. So when you click on these, you switch through the different folders on the menu. Like, you can switch to music, then FM settings, and FM radio, etc., etc. Similarly, when you're in the music folder, music menu rather, you can switch to the other menu, the sub menus, using these buttons. That's great. And this is also basically how you change tracks when you're listening to music. What else is there? There's a hold button over here for when you want to listen to music uninterrupted. You can attach the headphones over here so that you don't lose them. That's a nice feature, obviously. Great feature. What else? There's a tiny reset button over here. That's for when you want to erase data, I'm assuming. This is where the headphone goes in, the 3.5mm aux port. And that's more or less it. The Walkman logo is quite visible over here, and that's what you'll find inside the box containing the Sony NWZ-B183F Walkman. Thank you for watching.